Hi everybody, it's Coach D here with your daily dose of PE. Today we're going to learn how to strike a ball off of a tee. Specifically, we are going to be looking at the following PE standards and objectives. And by the end of this tutorial lesson, I hope that you can answer the following essential questions. When you're ready, there's a few items that you need to go collect. And if you don't have the specific items that I'm about to show you, you can always get a pair of 2 socks, roll them up and make a sock ball. And you can always use your hand instead of a bat today for practice. And lastly, make sure you have your parent or guardian's permission to go outside and practice this, because it's not really safe to practice our striking skills inside. Some examples of items that you can use are a basic foam ball that's lightweight, easy to strike, a little bit of a heavier foam ball, still safe to use, the classic wiffle ball, or lastly, you can use a larger playground type of ball. Next, you're going to need to use either a foam bat or a plastic bat. Lastly, you're going to need a batting tee. So this is a picture of what a typical batting tee looks like. I have an adjuster tee topper on the top that I'm able to set a large playground ball in, but you don't have to have that. Or get creative. Find things around your house that you could create to make a batting tee. Okay, so when you're ready and you've collected all the items that you need, meet me outside and let's get ready to practice. All right, excellent. Hopefully you're outside in a big safe space and you're ready to learn. The first thing we need to go over is how do we hold a bat? So what I like to do is I put my non-dominant hand at the base of the bat and I put my dominant hand right on top of it. So your dominant hand is also your favorite hand. It's the hand you write with, the hand you color with. And I grip the bat that's not too tight and is not too loose, but so that it won't fall out of my hands. Next, we need to talk about our tee stance and how to correctly position our body to the batting tee. You want your top foot to be lined up with the second edge of the tee. So the top part of the edge, second part of the edge, and then slide your foot back half a foot. Then your other foot you will bring back and you're in a nice shoulder width position. Now we need to talk about the 5 different components of how to strike a ball off of a tee. So now that your hand placement is correct, your feet are lined up correct with the batting tee, this is your ready position. Your knees are bent, you are ready to strike the ball. The second component is called bat back. So you're just making sure that your bat is behind your back shoulder, which should be your dominant arm, your dominant shoulder. The third component is squish the bug, which just means you're gonna take a step forward, pretend like you're squishing a bug. That is going to give us momentum. That is gonna help give our swing power. So ready position, bat back, squish the bug. The fourth component is swing. This is where you get to strike the ball. You make contact with it. You strike it through, and then the last component is your follow through. So you strike the ball, you follow through, your swing, your bat comes to the opposite shoulder. And those are the 5 components of how to strike a ball off of a tee. So in review, you start in a nice ready position. Your bat is back over your dominant shoulder. You squish the bug or step forward. You swing your bat, making contact with the ball, and follow through to your opposite shoulder. Nice work today practicing your striking skills. Make sure you're drinking water and staying hydrated, and stay tuned for more Coach D Daily Dose videos. Until next time, this is Coach D signing out. Bye.